In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails in Monday. Monday.com is a powerful tool for managing workflows and keeping your projects on track. But did you know it can also automate your email communication? This can save you time and keep your team informed without the manual effort. So, let's dive into the steps. First, head over to your Monday.com workspace. This is the main hub where all your boards reside, allowing you to navigate through different projects seamlessly. Now, once you're there, look for the Automate button. Automation is key to enhancing productivity, and Monday.com makes this process straightforward. Click on this button, and you'll be taken to the Automation Center, where we can start configuring our email flow. Next, you'll see an option to Create. Select this option, and you'll be prompted with different pathways. Choose Create from scratch, because we want to tailor this automation to our specific needs. This option provides complete control over the conditions and actions that will trigger our emails. Continuing on, you need to define the trigger for our automation. Look for when this happens and click on it. You're setting the foundation for when your emails will be sent. The trigger we will use here is status changes to something. This feature allows you to specify a particular status change that will then initiate the automated email. For instance, this could be when the status of a task goes from in progress to completed. Then you'll click on status to select which status change will kick off your automation. Ensure that you choose the status that aligns with your particular workflow needs. After you've chosen the right status, click on something to finalize this part of the setup. This essentially tells Monday.com, whenever this status changes, proceed with the next steps. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click Done to confirm your choices. Now you're halfway through. The next step involves clicking on Then Do This, where you'll define the action that follows your trigger. In the search bar that appears, type in Gmail, which is the service we'll be using to send out the emails. This ensures you're selecting the correct service for email automation. After typing Gmail, click on it to select it as your email service provider. You will then select Email, where you can type the message that will be sent out automatically. Type in a message that is clear and informative, as it will be received by your chosen contact or team member. Finally, choose who will be receiving these emails by clicking on Someone, allowing you to type the name or email address of your recipient. This ensures that the right person gets notified based on the trigger you've just set up. And there you have it. Your automated email setup in Monday.com is complete. By following these steps, you can streamline your workflow communication, ensuring your team is always in the know without any additional effort on your part. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.